Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. So let's get started. And first you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you will see a bunch of icons. And scroll through it until you find the airplane mode icon that looks like airplane. Then tap on it, scroll down, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the message airplane mode on, and the icon changing the color, being highlighted basically. And if you go back to watch face, you will see the icon at the top of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message airplane mode off. The icon will go back to not being highlighted anymore, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and disable the airplane mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.